Freemasons seek to discover the truth about their world and about themselves. They work tirelessly to discover their inherent nature and to express the very best of themselves. The true Freemason walks a path of service and discipline, yet it is a path of absolute joy if it is in alignment with their nature, directed toward building the temple of humanity. Duty is an important aspect of this, especially in the earliest steps on the path. Through adhering to duty, to a code of conduct, Freemasons build the internal scaffolding needed to accomplish their work. They establish the strength and resourcefulness to persevere, regardless of ridicule or praise, undeviating on the path of virtue. Looking to the East, the ancient concept of duty is embedded in the concept of the Sanskrit word dharma. In Hinduism, dharma is defined as a spiritual law which governs the necessary conduct of each individual. There is no direct one-word translation of dharma in the English language, but it involves duty, virtue, cosmic law and order, and calling. Dharma is a potent Sanskrit word. It denotes the greatest responsibility, our divine calling or sacred duty. Like an onion, the layers of enigma that shroud Dharma peel away to reveal ancient truths, the purpose of existence, and the nature of our true identity. There is a 2,000-year-old treatise, the Bhagavad Gita, which is considered to be the world's greatest work on Dharma. The 700 verses of the Gita are arranged in a conversational format between two main speakers, Krishna and Arjuna. Arjuna is a great warrior, the general of the army of the Pandavas. They're engaged in an epic battle with the Kauravas, who represent all evil in the universe. Arjuna represents the pinnacle of earthly achievement, the most skilled, virtuous, and wise, and the bravest among humanity. In the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna prepares to enter the battle and suddenly gets cold feet. Frozen by doubt and fear, he calls out to Krishna for help. Krishna is a divine lord, as well as Arjuna's spiritual master. Krishna and Arjuna embody the archetypal guru and disciple, but on an even deeper level, they embody the very heart of human spirituality. Arjuna is the voice of the seeker, the voice of our conscience. It is with this voice that we reach out for divine support and guidance. As an archetype, Arjuna is an embodiment of our own strength, valor, bravery, and skills. Yet he also displays the frailty of our condition as human beings. He's unable to move forward due to fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Moving through confusion and ignorance with the help of his spiritual guide, Arjuna ultimately demonstrates humanity's willingness to learn, grow, and transform, to overcome all obstacles on our journey to that final destination, union with Brahman, the divine. The name Bhagavad Gita translates as the Song of the Lord. So Krishna's voice in the Gita is the voice of the Absolute, the source of the universe, the voice of our own divine essence and inner guide. The divinity within each of us is represented by Lord Krishna to listen, to guide us, and to dispel the darkness of ignorance with the light of wisdom. In the name of Dharma, Arjuna refuses to kill the opposing warriors. He argues for nonviolence, assuming that to attack and kill so many leading men will destabilize the society and fracture the families that are vital to the peace and virtue of their country. Krishna responds that Arjuna neglects his dharma by refusing to fight, and even considering your personal dharma as well. It is not right for you to hesitate. There is nothing better for a warrior than a fight based on dharma. The dialogue between master and disciple illuminates the hidden message of the scripture. Dharma is a tool that assists in the real goal of life, to understand the eternal nature of the soul and its relationship with divinity. Freemasonry asks, who are you and what is your purpose in life? The wisdom contained in the 2,000-year-old Gita can provide key insights for those who seek answers to these vital questions. May all who seek to do their duty, to perform their allotted work before the night comes, ever persevere, labor diligently, and emulate the archetype of Arjuna, the hero of the Bhagavad Gita.